Welcome back, home enthusiasts. Today we're exploring a gem in sunny San Diego, that's 6683 Alisa Valley Way, built in 2017. This modern marvel offers luxury living with a touch of adventure. This 5-bedroom, 5.5-bathroom beauty spans nearly 3,000 square feet with no immediate neighbors to the right or the left on either side. Enjoy unparalleled privacy, a rare find in Carmel Valley. Families will really appreciate the proximity to Pacific Sky School, just a stone's throw away. Outdoor enthusiasts, lace up your boots. From here, there's a nearby trailhead. It's a scenic hike to the enchanting Los Penasquitos waterfall. And fitness buffs, rejoice. The 56 Fitness Trail is at your doorstep, perfect for biking and jogging. And during summer evenings, look up into the air for vibrant balloons painting the sky, a signature of this specific location. Located at the eastern end of Carmel Valley, residents here bask in an extra 3 to 5 degrees of warmth compared to the neighboring areas. It's a sun seeker's paradise. Dive into relaxation with the access to the community pool. Keep in mind, the HOA fee is $196 monthly, and there's an annual Melrose of $3,256 per year. Step inside to an open concept living space, flooded with natural light. The Gourmet kitchen boasts top-tier appliances and a sleek design. The master suite is a sanctuary, featuring a spa-like bathroom and a walk-in closet. Each additional bedroom offers comfort and style, perfect for family and guests. Need a home office? Check. Entertainment room? Absolutely. The backyard is a blank canvas, ready for your personal touch, be it a garden, play area, or outdoor lounge. To sum it up, 6683 Alisa Valley Way offers luxury privacy and a vibrant community. If this sounds like your dream home, don't wait. Contact us for a private tour, and remember, subscribe for more home tours and real estate tips. Thanks for watching.